Hello, all you wonderful learners out there. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to post onto the class Padlet. So once you open this assignment from Schoology, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. If you're in period 1, it'll say period 1's class Padlet 3 or 5. Underneath here, you'll see the directions for the task. It says, on this webpage, make 3 thoughtful posts of 1. A picture of an interest or hobby of yours. Bonus, if you're in the picture. We'll stop there and just focus on that one task first. So to post a picture, what you want to do is come to the bottom right-hand side of your screen, click this white plus sign, and it'll show us 4 options of how to post. We can either upload directly from our computer, a file, picture, etc. We can post a link to a specific address that has pictures. We can search for images on Google directly, or we can take a picture. For this purpose, I want to go to Google and search images of hiking with friends because that's what I like to do. This is a fantastic image, so I'll click that and just quickly say this is number 1 and my answer is hiking with friends. Okay, to post it officially, I'll just click away from the box and it's done. Voila! If I wanted to have that bonus, I'm gonna exit this out, upload a file from my computer, and I love this picture of me and my good friend Megan. It is during COVID times, obviously. We're being really safe with our masks. I'll click away and we can move on to number 2. Number 2 says, a meme or YouTube video that makes you laugh. I have the greatest YouTube video, so I'm going to come down here, add, and in this case, a link would be best. And now I'll come up here to create a new tab and go to youtube.com and search for none other than Denver the Guilty Dog. I'll click here.
What?
Pause it, and I want that link. So what you can do on your Chromebooks is either highlight and copy from here or highlight and use Control-C. Go ahead and try both of those ways out to familiarize yourself with the Chromebook a bit more. So here you can either right click or double click. I'm not sure what it is on the Chromebook right away. Test it out, let me know. Then you paste. Alternatively, you can do Control-V. Okay, either one will get you that URL copied. I'm gonna save it. Just label this number 2, click away. And we're good, we're on to the 3rd one, chugging along. Number 3 says, a quote that inspires you or makes you think. Alternatively, post a deep question about the world today. So you have 2 options here, a quote or a question. Either way, this is going to be a text. So we don't really need to use upload or link or Google anything. So I'm going to go ahead and type in here, whatever you are, be a good one. I want to be a good teacher. That's my life goal. This is by Abraham Lincoln. That's what I always have to tell myself to spell it correctly. And boom, we've got it up there. If you need help with finding a quote, you can always create a new tab and search inspirational quotes. And if you really want to, I don't mind if you post an image for number 3, that's totally okay. Last thing I want to point out to you all is that you can look at each other's posts and like them. And that way it'll just cheer us up and saying, oh, cool, like you like hiking too? Great. You might not see your posts upload immediately, and that is because I have to approve of them first, and as I approve of them, I will grade them. I'm just gonna move these around for the sake of organization purposes. You don't have to. All right, that's all I got. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you on the Zooms.